Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: a 64-bit OS, about 8 GB RAM, and 10 GB free disk. Once ready, download the Android Studio installer for your platform. Note the package already bundles OpenJDK, so you don't need a separate Java install. Run the installer and choose the standard configuration so the IDE, SDK, and emulator components install together. Make sure to set the Android SDK path when prompted. This central path is used by command line tools and IDE modules. After installation, open SDK Manager to install the latest SDK platform, build tools, and platform tools. These are required to compile and run apps. Next, launch AVD Manager and create a virtual device. Pick a device profile, select an x86 system image that matches your target API level, and allocate sensible RAM and storage. Make sure to enable hardware acceleration. HAXM on Intel Macs/Windows or the appropriate hypervisor on other systems to speed up the emulator. Without it, the virtual device will be noticeably slow. Create a new project, select a template like Empty Activity, set a package name and minimum API level, then let Android Studio configure Gradle files. Once the project opens, click Run to build and deploy to your emulator or a connected device. Monitor Logcat for runtime output and quick debug messages. If everything runs, you're done with setup. If a build or deployment fails, sync Gradle files, verify the Android SDK path, clear caches, and restart the IDE. This common troubleshooting step resolves many configuration issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.